A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, students? I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam school, Faisalabad region. Students, raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya rabbul alameen. Students, take our English book from your bag. Yes, and open the page number 16. It's our 9th lecture and subject English. It's our 9th lecture, lecture number 9, and subject English. And open the book page number 16. Book page number 16. And topic of this page is use of this. Use of this. Students, today I tell you where we use this. We use this when something is singular and it's near to us. We use these when something singular is near us. For example, this is a board marker and it is near to me. So I use here, this is board marker. This is marker, yeah, this is board marker. Clear, students? Where we use this? We use this when something is singular, is near to us. Let's start reading, students. Are you ready? Okay, good. This is a rat. This is a rat. Rat is a singular, so that's why we use here this. This is a rat. This is a rat. I show you a rat. Students, how many rats? Yes, one. One rat. One rat. So we say this is a rat. This is a rat. Put your finger next line. This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. Cup is a singular. We use here word this. This is a cup. Now you know very well where we use this. We use this when something singular is near to us. For example, cup. This is a cup. Cup is a singular, so that's why we use this. This is a cup and it's near to me. I use sentence, this is a cup. This is a cup. Okay, student. Next, this is a book. This is a book. This is a book. Book is a singular. We use here this. This is a book. This is a book. Students, how many books are in my hand? One book. Yes, one book. This is a book. This is a book. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. I show you a very pretty duck. I have. This is a duck. This is a duck. Duck is a singular object, so that's why we use here word this. This is a duck. This is a duck. Clear, students? Good. Okay, put your finger on last line. This is a ring. This is a ring. This is a ring. I show you a ring. This is a ring. Ring is a singular object, so I use here word this. This is a ring. Students, repeat this page with me. English book reading, use of this topic. Use of this. Where we use this? We use this when something singular is near us. We use this when something singular near us. For example, it is ruler. Ruler. This is ruler because it is singular objects. So that's why I use word this. This is a ruler. This is a rat. This is a rat. This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a book. This is a book. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a ring. This is a ring. Students, learn this page actively. Now student, open English workbook. Yes, and take your pencil in your hand. Good. And open the page number, workbook page number 38. Workbook page number 38. Good. Student, look at the board and tell me what is it. Yes. Good. This is rat. Good. So we use this today. Okay. This is rat. Make a sentences by using this. And what is it? Rat. Now we make a sentence with this. This, yes, is a rat. Rat. Rat is a singular object. Clear, students? That's why we use here this, and we make a sentences by using this. This is a rat. What is it? Yes, cup. Cup. How many cups are there? Yes, one. It's a singular object. Good. And we make a sentence by using this. This is, yes, a cup. This is a cup, and at the end of the sentence we mark a full stop. Have you done, students? Good. Yes. And next pick of? Yes, good. Book. Book. Book is also singular object. So that's why we use word this. We make our sentences here by using this. This. Yes, is a book. Book. At the end of the sentence, we mark a full stop here. Have you done, student? Good. And next pick of duck. Good, excellent. Duck. This is a duck. Student, tell me, duck or ducks? Yes. How many ducks are there? Good. There is one duck. Duck is a singular object and we use here word this. This is a duck. This is a duck. Students, our topic is use of this and we make our sentences by using this. Are you clear, students? Good. Okay, now I'll tell you once again where we use this. We use this when something singular is near us. We use these when something singular is near us. Suppose, for example, duck. Duck is a singular object and it's near to me. So I use here this. This is a duck. Okay, now repeat this lesson with me, students. Are you ready? Good. Number one. Yes, rat. Pick of rat. And we make a sentence by using this. This is a rat. This is a rat. Good. This is a rat. Yes, cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. And next pick, book. Good. This is a book. This is a book. This is a book. And next pick, yes, duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. Students, it's very interesting sentences here. Student, do the practice on the rough register and workbook. Take care of yourself. Fi amanillah.